Can you go to kindergarten?
My flu is all gone now.
Really? That's good. Thomas, wear a mask just in case.
What? A mask? Masks are stuffy. Don't do that.
Even so, you need to wear a mask so you don't spread the flu. Wow, what a cool guy you are.
今日は勉強するの？
Yes.
だったら私も一緒に。
Thank you. Sorry.
意地悪。
Hey, bud, how's about you come change the channel for me? I can't risk overexciting myself.
The next morning.
You are not so good as you think.
What? My Thomas?
Yes.
A few moments later.
See, Thomas? Your mommy is very angry.